This is an old clip that just, I don't know why it's getting posted right now on Boing Boing, but I just liked it because it's a classic as far as the instant karma thing is concerned.
Okay.
And I just realized, I don't want to pass up an opportunity to get an incredible clip out there of instant karma, which is exactly what this is. So what we have is somebody who is trying to blow up a car with gasoline. This has got very intense, very fast. Many of you, I'm sure, have seen this clip. In fact, I should tell you, before you look at it, this person has actually been prosecuted, I believe. This story is, I think, from a couple years back.
Where is the video?
It's in here. It's on the article.
Oh, okay.
No? Oh, God, Will. Here we go again.
It's not in here?
Just give me a, you're in the forum or something. Do a refresh. There you go. Yep, click originally published right there.
Oh, this one.
Yeah. There we go. There we go. Agree to these crazy terms and everything else.
Oh, boy.
Here's the clip. You tell me if you've seen it before. It's actually quite shocking. She thinks she's just going to easily blow up this car. But, of course, you got gas fumes and everything involved. So check this out. She goes, I guess, at some point here, it's filled with gas, and she lights a match. It's all loaded up with gas, so the fumes are coming out the window, and boom.
Ooh, she got knocked back.
Big time. Instant karma, and has to go back and collect the gas tank and get out of there. Now, I don't know if it was some sort of an insurance fraud or exactly what the situation was, but somebody over here in the comment section said that actually this individual has been caught and charged with arson. Oh. I believe. Let me just verify that.
That's a huge explosion.
Well, the other thing is you have the nice video clip in order to make the case as well.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
This happened last year. The woman was charged with arson. So yeah, instant karma. Yeah. Oh, and the heading on the video is that it was her boyfriend's car. So
right.
I guess it isn't an insurance deal, but like some sort of revenge or something. Wow. Mm-hmm. I wonder what type of flame or damage she may have taken to the face right on the explosion. Like, see if you can get the frame. If you can pause a couple frames before that. This was obviously going to be very hard to do.
Well, I think I can go frame by frame, right?
Wow. So, yeah, it's a full face of flames.
Yeah.
Crazy.
She got knocked back.
Yeah, she would have some burns, I would say, from that exchange right there. That's crazy. You can get paid back for that decision so fast.
Uh-huh.
So fast, in a blink.
It's recorded?
In a blink.
In HD?